Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Grammarly Business for consistent brand messaging. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Grammarly Business for consistent brand messaging, start by logging into your Grammarly Business account. Navigate to the admin dashboard once you are logged in. Locate the Style Guide section on the left sidebar. Click on the Style Guide option to open the configuration settings. You will see options to add your brand's tone, voice, and specific language preferences. Begin by defining your brand's voice. Provide a short description of how you want your content to sound. Consider including adjectives that best represent your brand, such as professional, friendly, or authoritative. Next, add specific. This helps the Grammarly application understand your preferred terminology. You can also specify any phrases that should be avoided. After defining your brand voice and terms, move on to the customization section. Here, you can adjust settings for clarity, engagement, and delivery. Select the tone adjustments that fit your brand's communication style. You can also customize the writing goals based on your audience. Next, navigate to the Team Permissions section. Here, you can assign access levels to different team members. Ensure that everyone has the appropriate permissions to contribute to the style guide. Encourage team members to familiarize themselves with the established brand guidelines. Once everything is set up, test the configuration by conducting a writing exercise. Have team members draft content while utilizing the Grammarly Business tool. Review the suggestions provided by Grammarly to ensure they align with your brand messaging. Based on feedback, make necessary adjustments to the style guide. Finally, maintain an open line of communication with your team about branding decisions. Regular updates to the style guide will help keep your messaging consistent over time. This comprehensive setup will ensure that your brand voice remains uniform across all communications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.